Hey, have you seen Eric? What are you supposed to be? Are you wearing leather pants?
Bro, what are you talking about? We're doing a trick-or-treat prop. I'm Sammy Kerr. Duh.
No, dumbass. Not that trick or treat. This trick or treat.
Ah, fuck. Today we're making a life-size prop of Emma, the opening kill from 2007's Trick or Treat, which is in no way associated with the 1986 Trick or Treat featuring metal god Sammy Kerr. We started out with a styrofoam head and some eyes. We carve out the sockets and stick the eyes in there. Damn, nice peepers, yo. I'm sizing up how wide this sucker will be and how much of the mouth and jaw I need to cut off. Next, instead of ordering a fake set of teeth, I'm just gonna cut them out of this skull. Like this. Once removed, I hot glue them to the styrofoam head. Looking cute. So instead of wasting this expensive ass sucker from Spirit Halloween, I'm just gonna cut out half a circle from some foam board, paint it orange, and then hot glue it into place. Then I'm gonna reattach the jaw we cut out earlier. Moving on, I'm gonna sculpt out the face on top of the foam head using this air dry clay. I'm not gonna cover the entire styrofoam head since a wig will be going on in the back. But after covering just the front, I make the cut marks around the eyes. I let this dry 24 hours and then it's time to add a layer of some warm beige acrylic paint. Get you some color there, yo. So after that dries, I've been wanting to try out mixing liquid latex and color, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna cover the clay part of the head and let this dry overnight. Then after that's done, I'm gonna fill in the cuts around the eyes with this glossy red. So this next step, this is probably not necessary, but I have this high gloss varnish laying around, so to hell with it. Let's make this thing shiny. Just brush a layer on and let it dry. It's time to give my girl some hair. I bought this wig from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. I met her husband in a Target parking lot to make the purchase. It was rather strange. It's perma-blood time. I just dab the brush on the cuts to get that drip effect. You can be messy. It doesn't matter. I mixed some of the perma-blood with water to spray it on as well. You can never go wrong with more blood. I took one of these wooden dowels and a black permanent marker and some orange electrical tape to make the stick for the sucker. Just get it in its spot and hot glue it into place. I say this head's looking pretty gnarly and it's probably complete. Now it's time to move on to the body. So I'm going to use this plastic skeleton I had from another prop. I'm going to add some pool noodles to the arms and legs to beef them up. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with my hands in this shot, but just slice the pool noodles on one side and slide them over the bones, like so. Then you can go ahead and get your shrink wrap and then just shrink wrap them into place. On this side, I'm going to add this fake hand and wrap it all tight. Get in there. Once you got it in the spot, just wrap it all together. So for the chest, I'm going to use some leftover plastic bags and some drop cloth and some bubble wrap to fill it out. And then shrink wrap that. Finished product looks nice. Complete with feet. Girl, get your clothes on. Get your socks and your sweatpants and a blue hoodie. I took a small piece of PVC and I secured it in the neck to mount the head on. Now it's time to make sure our head looks good and isn't totally disproportionate. Looks solid to me. It's time to hot glue that baby into place. For the stand, I use 2x6s. Cross beam I cut to 82, and the main beam is 64, dudes. I use the extra pieces to make a base with some L brackets. Need to find another random piece of wood for that last side. So the easiest way I found to attach Emma to the post was to lay everything down and secure her to it with 3-inch screws. I put 2 through the chest and 1 in the arm. I then zip tied the arm, just in case. A little more support never hurt anybody. Girl, put your shoes on. Tied right up there. There you go, girl. Now it's time for that age-old family tradition of covering your prop in blood. Don't be shy, son. Get it all over there. Let's get those kicks bloody while we're at it. I'm never one to waste, so I wiped up all the blood that dripped off the prop with this sheet that we're using. And then we add a little bit more because you can never have enough blood. Time to cover it in lights. I'm going to use this strand I got off of Amazon for $11.99. And some of these other smaller orange lights that I got off some dude on Facebook Marketplace for $4 for 2 sets. Get that all covered and plug that baby in. And boom, there's our finished product. All lit up and looking crazy. This is guaranteed to look absolutely spooky on your front lawn come Halloween time. I think this prop turned out pretty good, especially when you got all the lights going and it's all running and you got a bunch of blood on it. Hell, you want to throw more blood on? You can never have enough blood. And I'd say this one is, it's a wrap. Alright. These leather pants. I'm done.
Welcome to Chess King. Can I help you?
Yeah, I want to return these leather pants. They didn't really work out for me.
Did you like wear them, dude?
Well, yeah, I wore them. That's how I know that they didn't work out.
Did you go commando on them?
No.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Dude, read the sign, bro, Safini.
He's fat there.